How to pay your Target rate card bill online or in store. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can pay your Target rate card bill. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you want to pay online, you have to head over to target.com, my circle card, and then log in. So you could open up Google, and in the search bar you could search for Target rate card or Target circle card. Head over to the first link, then you have to log in into your account. Tap on the profile icon, head over to sign in or create account, enter your credentials, then log in. Once you're signed in from your dashboard, head over to pay now option to make a one-time payment, or you could also set up auto pay. Then you will need your bank information to complete the transaction. If you're on the mobile application, you could also pay using the Target app. So head over to your wallet tab, then tap on your rate card, then select make a payment, which is a quick, secure, and will work. The third option is to pay by phone. You could just call for their number or the support line for a credit card. Then make sure that you follow the prompts to pay using your bank account. And in case if you want to pay in person, then you have to visit the guest services at any Target store. Then you can pay your rate card bill using cash or debit. So that's it. That's how you can pay your Target rate card bill. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.